singing, you know. She's singing. I record leaving if you don't sign her.
Tell them say a straight mama basket a do it. Now feed nothing we possess when me got. So nothing with head, foot, chest, neck or back. Nothing with me move, run nor quack. Me food no fi carry pum pum nor cock. Me food no fi pull it up in and before I pull it up in a.
But so we don't have no meat, a straight veggie. We don't have no veggie. Listen me, you say the same way you take off the woman panty before sex. It's the same way you can take it off a line, and it's the same way you can wash it.
You wash drawers, brother? If me wash drawers, me no wear drawers.
So you gonna wash your woman drawers?
That's enough for your argument, brother. You have to wear drawers for no.
Ask me if mom sick. I fuck you fuck me. Wash my woman drawers.
So who is you for me tell you some would wash, man?
So you not your hide?
Not hide, but me just want to know one reason for me explain that.
No, when me a real man now, because you have no. I'm gonna tell you now. Say, my woman sick. Me I wash her drawers because why you know when she use cover?
That's up to you if you want to tell me your story, brother.
So why you don't want that?
Me not have to tell you my life story. That's my personal life. Why the reason me have to tell you? Tell me no one reason. Make me happy tell you. Make me happy tell you my personal life. Tell me one reason and me tell you.
Number one, you know.
God, that's something personal between me and my woman.
Number one, you know go looking.
Yeah? So that's me if you wash drawers.
Yes, man.
What you mean by that, cat? Keep your panty washing business private. The world will need to know. If this is not the kind of love you want, me no want you. Watch this.
This is a serious time, violence and crime. I'm not here going to be who sent my guns.
So me try to do it. People, we are living a serious.
Listen, I knew it was gonna be a big disaster when I saw a look at Barlem and the lady. Why? She's a good sport. She came through and she finished the race. Yo, man, me tell you, Jamaican nice gone to bed. If I was born in Jamaica, I swear I would be vexed. Every day when I wake up vexed. Thank you, Father. Me a Jamaican.
Yeah. After meeting an accident. Yeah. After meeting an accident, now them say the only thing can save our face when she can manga back again. Yeah. And I tell them use piece of body jam pot her face.
She's some crime.
Yeah.
Where is
the doctor so evil? She going at the surgery and them use piece of body jar and pat her face and to win the contest. Yeah. So everybody asks her about the contest and say, oh, we managed to win. Yeah. Oh, what was the surgery? You have any problem? You know? The surgery was alright, don't go one part half. I'm saying,
What
what's the
is
fault?
fault?
What's the fault?
What
you
the
know?
fault?
Sometimes my face feel like it want to sit down.
What the name of that joke?
Batty face.
Yo! Yo, the man I best storyteller out of Jamaica. When there? I want to find in TikTok or YouTube or Instagram. I need to follow him because it was full of content still.